Faxing on the Canon Advance. Select your fax option, and if you have the phone number saved in your address book, select the address book, choose the name, hit OK, and then hit Start. If it is a two-sided option, you do have the option here, two-sided, that will scan and fax both sides and then send them as single-sided. To add an address, to add a phone number to the address book, select Address Book, follow the path, Other Options, Register Edit, Register New Destination, select your fax option, choose the name. We'll just type in Loffler, hit OK, and then you would hit Next, and then you would type in the phone number, 925. Let's clear that out. 952-925-6801. Select OK, and then you will now have it saved in your address book.